You've landed on the Moon Show, and today I'm going to show you how to use Swissborg and how to manage your wealth there. It is my favorite place to manage my wealth in a regulated environment. So definitely pay attention to the end of this video and leave a thumbs up right now. Today we're breaking down everything you need to know about Swissborg, the powerhouse app changing the way we manage wealth. It is a powerful crypto wealth management app that helps you buy, earn, invest, and grow your digital assets securely in one place. I will review the platform, highlight its most significant achievements, and discuss how its trading features deliver best-in-class execution. And most importantly, I will show you the 3 major key features that Swissborg has launched in 2026, designed to empower your financial freedom and supercharge the Borg ecosystem. But before I start this video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates from Swissborg and others. Also, please note that nothing in this video is a financial advice. Before we dive in, make sure you click on my top link in the description and create your Swissborg account. Swissborg was founded by Anthony Leswasmer and Cyrus Fazel in 2017 with an initial investment of $53 million. In 2021, it became one of the top European cryptocurrency exchanges with impressive growth, and its native token Borg reached unicorn status, hitting a $1 billion market cap in 2022. The Borg token offers multiple benefits to holders, such as governance rewards and voting privileges that help drive future growth. Swissborg offers a licensed and regulated app for buying, selling, and trading cryptocurrencies. It is more than just an exchange, as its smart engine connects you to multiple centralized and decentralized exchanges to get the best available prices and the best available execution across more than 80,000 crypto trading pairs. The platform connects you to 6 different chains: Solana, BNB Smart Chain, Avalanche, Base, Hyperliquid, Berachain, offering you one-tap trades across chains with no need for bridging. Along with trading digital assets, you can earn a yield on your favorite tokens, invest in pre-sales called Alpha, and diversify your crypto portfolio investments with its crypto bundles. Swissborg offers users a secure custodial wallet that leverages advanced multi-party computation technology. This keyless technology splits signing powers and eliminates the need to protect private keys. Currently, Swissborg has over 1 million registered users, and its app is available in 47 countries across Europe, Asia, Africa, and the Americas. It also supports 11 fiat currencies with direct one-tap exchanges to any crypto on any chain, including EUR, CHF, GBP, and USD. Now, before I show you how to sign up and use the platform, let's explore Swissborg's performance in 2025. From trading infrastructure and governance to rewards, new tokens, and payments, nearly every aspect of the platform evolved significantly. In the 4th quarter of 2025, the platform redesigned its loyalty ranks and cashback system, offering more long-term benefits to Borg token holders. It saw a 7.2% increase in the number of Borg holders. It integrated 4 new blockchains, including Avalanche, Berachain, Hyperliquid, and BNB Smart Chain, expanding user access through a single account. Also, Swissborg added 18 new decentralized exchanges to its Meta Exchange trading engine to strengthen route quality, reduce slippage, and improve order execution. The developments do not stop here. In 2025, Swissborg added more than 260 new tokens, bringing its marketplace to over 400. It made governance more active and meaningful, with more than 29,000 users participating in governance votes and 1.9 million Borg distributed to guardians. Swissborg launched 41 trading vaults, making advanced trading strategies accessible to you. Beyond trading, Swissborg launched managed portfolios, community bundles, and advanced alpha strategies, turning the app into a full wealth-building ecosystem. At the same time, upgrades, including full travel rule compliance, safer withdrawals, new Apple Pay and Google Pay access, expanded fiat rails, and multi-chain USDC support, strengthened its position as one of the most trusted global gateways between traditional money and crypto. Every step the platform took last year was to make crypto more accessible to everyone. So, to start using Swissborg, download its mobile app for iOS or Android. You just need to provide your phone number, set the password, enter your email address, and start using the app. After creating your profile, you should complete KYC, which is mandatory on Swissborg. The platform offers 3 KYC levels, with deposit and withdrawal limits increasing accordingly. The Swissborg app features a clean, intuitive interface and dashboard. You can easily monitor your portfolios, access information, and make transactions. Each token listed in the app provides in-depth project details to help you make informed investment decisions. Swissborg's Smart Engine connects you to multiple leading exchanges, including Binance, Bitfinex, and Kraken, and to 6 chains like Solana, Avalanche, and more. It quickly analyzes hundreds of trading pairs and identifies the most effective execution path. The platform expands this system by introducing Meta Exchange, or MEX. It consolidates centralized exchanges, decentralized protocols, and traditional finance into a single interface. You can exchange any fiat for crypto, any crypto for fiat, or any crypto for crypto. Go to the exchange menu. Select the crypto or fiat you want to exchange and the crypto or fiat currency you would like to exchange it for. Enter the order amount to get the best execution price, review the details and confirm them to execute the exchange. Swissborg crypto bundles turn complex portfolio building into a one-tap strategy. Instead of picking individual coins, you choose a bundle, and Swissborg automatically allocates, manages, and rebalances your portfolio across multiple assets. From the Web3 bundle with Ethereum, Polygon, and Polkadot to the Golden bundle, which combines Bitcoin with gold-linked assets, these actively managed bundles deliver diversified, high-level portfolio strategies. Also, Swissborg's AI portfolio analytics brings clarity to everyday investors. It breaks down your realized and unrealized gains, losses, and fees with total transparency, so you always know what's really working. Swissborg Earn takes passive income to the next level by connecting you to DeFi protocols such as Aave, Curve, and Lido with zero setup. You get access to several strategies: low risk for steady returns, medium risk for higher yields, and high risk for high reward yields. While Swissborg Earn focuses on predictable yield-generating strategies, Alpha Trading Vaults offer you fully automated, data-driven strategies in promising crypto projects. Unlike manual trading, Alpha Trading Vaults use a tactical approach based on technical and fundamental analysis. Each vault executes a structured strategy that includes optimized limit order entries, predefined take-profit exits, and automatic stop-loss protection to manage downside risk. Once you allocate funds, the vault handles all buying and selling automatically, eliminating emotional bias. Together, these products form a comprehensive investment ecosystem that lets you balance risk and return according to your personal strategy. On February 25th, Swissborg announced 3 major features. These updates clearly outline the platform's direction: more real-world usage, more control, and stronger infrastructure. Swissborg has launched its crypto debit card for everyday spending. It lets you spend your crypto as easily as cash with real-time crypto to fiat conversion at the point of sale, no preloading required. Powered by the Swissborg Meta Exchange, it automatically swaps your selected primary or backup asset during each transaction. Accepted at over 150 million MasterCard locations worldwide, the card offers a virtual version for eligible users and integrates Google Pay for instant mobile payments. Apple Pay support is also coming soon. Every purchase generates exchange fees that contribute to Borg buybacks, while you can earn up to 99% of those fees back in Borg, depending on your loyalty rank. The Swissborg crypto card is being rolled out in waves and will be available to all users with Apple Pay release in May. For the wider community, the card will launch gradually in eligible countries throughout the second quarter of this year. But Swissborg is more than just a mobile app. The platform has launched its web app that brings you the clarity, depth, and analysis tools you need to trade like a pro. The Swissborg Web App features advanced trading view charts and a wider view of your portfolio. Designed with security at its core, it uses passkey login combined with biometrics and mobile approval to eliminate password risks while keeping accounts fully protected. The third key feature launched in Swissborg's app is trigger orders, which allows you to automate your trading strategies, such as buy the dip, take profit, and stop loss. Unlike standard limit orders, the trigger orders utilize the Meta Exchange, MX Smart Engine, aggregating liquidity across more than 30 decentralized exchanges and more than 5 centralized exchanges to ensure your trade executes when it matters most. Now that you know what Swissborg is, how it performed over the last year, and the key updates coming in 2026, click the top link in the description and create your Swissborg account so you don't miss out on this opportunity. That's it from today's video. Please drop a like below this video and subscribe to my channel to get more exclusive campaigns and bonuses from top exchanges. See you soon on the moon again.